What's going on, everyone, and welcome into today's information video. My name is Dave Payerchin with Sell House Columbus and Sell House, Ohio. And today we're talking about how to sell a fire-damaged property, a fire-damaged house, or apartment building in Columbus, Ohio. So first and foremost, as I mentioned, my name is Dave with Sell House Columbus, Sell House, Ohio. We have been working with homeowners all over the great state of Ohio for the last 14 years. We have the most five-star reviews and testimonials, video testimonials of any other house buying company. And we're very proud of what we do in working with homeowners all across Ohio. We'd love the opportunity to speak with you. If you have a fire damaged property that you're interested in getting an offer on, just give us a call, 614-300-5151, or fill out a form online, sellhousecolumbus.com. It's nothing we haven't dealt with already. We've been doing this a long time. We can help you navigate these situations. There's things we need to consider, which I'm going to talk about in this video, namely the insurance and how the insurance proceeds are going to work. We want you to keep as much or all of the money, right? We are here to be fair with you. The reason we have the most testimonials of any other company is we're fast, we're fair, we're local, we're experienced. And that's what it's all about, is creating these win-win scenarios. So make sure you pick up the phone, give us a call. You'll be speaking to me or someone on my team. But if we work together, you'll definitely have the opportunity to speak to me. I make it a point to get on the phone with every homeowner that we work with, and we're really proud of what we do. So first, now getting into the fire-damaged properties, this could be a tough situation. Now, if you're dealing with a fire, first off, I hope everybody's okay. You can replace houses, you can replace drywall, you can replace stuff. You can't replace people. So I hope everybody's okay in your world, given this fire situation. If you do have a fire damaged property, that's first and foremost, that's what's most important. Next is you got to go through all the stuff that comes with a fire damaged property, namely the insurance and contractors and getting estimates, getting adjusters, this whole thing. We are able to help you navigate this entire situation. I want you to know it could be very overwhelming. And if you're dealing with a fire damaged property, more than likely you already have enough on your plate. You got a ton on your plate already. The last thing you need to do is just more work and just more meetings and meeting people at these properties. We can help you with all of that. We are very much a hands-on, or what I like to say is boots on the ground type of operation. So if you have a fire damaged property, let's get on the phone. There's zero obligations for you whatsoever to kind of talk through the situation. Even if we can't buy your property, we can still help you out. We can link you up with any resource that we have, and we have a lot of them, right? We have a vast network all across Ohio of everybody you can imagine, from contractors to service providers to insurance providers to insurance adjusters to appraisers, inspectors, this whole deal. It's a one-stop shop because we've been around the longest and we have a vast network. We're happy to open our doors to you. That's why we have gotten such great reviews and whatnot. We approach this as a service first mentality. One of my old mentors, you might have heard of this guy's name, Zig Ziglar. He says, if you help enough people get what they want, you're going to get everything that you want. And it couldn't be further from the truth. That's exactly how this works. So pick up the phone and give us a call. There's no obligations whatsoever. We can talk through your situation. And then when it comes, I want to be upfront with you. We've seen these situations before where you, as the homeowner with the fire damaged property, you can keep all the insurance money and then still sell your property for as much as you possibly can get for it. That's what we're here to buy it for. We're here to give you as much as we possibly can and keep all that cash. There's no added costs to you whatsoever. There's no title costs. There's no fine print. It's just a very clean, it's like old-fashioned way of doing business, right? In fact, the purchase contract that we use to purchase your property, it's like 9 bullet points. I can recite it to you right now. There's just no fine print. It's very straightforward. Here's what you're getting for the property, right? There's no fees or anything taken out of that. The only thing that would be taken out is potentially back taxes, the county taxes. The county taxes are attached to every property. That's it. All right, you don't even have to pay notary fees, recording fees. You don't even have to pay for a postage stamp if you have to mail something in to the title company. Nothing whatsoever. We keep it very straightforward. And then when it comes to the meetings, when it comes to getting through the insurance adjusters, when it comes to getting through anyone who needs to meet at the property, we can help you with that 100%. So if maybe you're not even in Ohio, but the fire damaged property is in Ohio, and you might be thinking, what do I got to do? Get on a plane and fly there? No, you don't. Start working with us. We will make this completely easy, create a win-win scenario for you. You're going to get through this thing. It's going to be like it never even happened. That's our goal at the end of this. So once again, if you have a fire damaged property anywhere in Ohio, give us a call. We're at 614-300-5151. Visit us online, sellhousecolumbus.com. Just fill out a form. We'll call you right away, right? We like to get right on top of this stuff. So I look forward to introducing myself more formally to you. And I speak to, like I mentioned, 80 to 100 people every single month. The best part of my day is getting on the phone with you and kind of navigating this situation. Whatever's going on, there's no obligations whatsoever, no pressure whatsoever, and we're here for you. So 614-300-5151, sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave, here to help you with all of your real estate needs, including fire damaged properties in Columbus, Ohio. We'll talk to you soon.